So now I'm going to insert the records into faculty. Faculty represents the staff of the university who teaches the courses to students. So the attributes in the faculty tables are faculty code, the name of faculty member, email address of the faculty member, hiring date of the faculty member, department ID, salary, designation, and the values to be inserted are the name and email address and hiring date and salary, sorry, department ID and designation and values. So I am just going to copy this and paste that into. Why is it? Oh, because the insert into faculty cannot add update child or foreign key constraint fail IUB underscore university db dot faculty constraint faculty IBM foreign key department ID references department ID, and in the departments the records are set to auto increment and it is starting from 32. So let me solve this issue first. Let me edit this one and now it would oh, I would have to change all of this to. Is there any way that I can edit? No row selected. So if I select all roses, so let's do some debugging. Now edit one, two, three, mm, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and finally 15, and the 16th record which we entered manually. So let's go. 14 rows affected. We now we have all of the IDs in sequence. So now let me go to the database. No, that paste. So go. Now the 15 rows are successfully inserted into faculty. We can you can check that we have all the records and yes, yes, it is all okay. We are good to go. So if you face any error like I have faced, you can just edit the uh, increment auto increment instance and you would good to go.